Oh no! Look at my shirt!
What happened?
It looks old. The color is faded.
Yes, a little.
I feel tired of this shirt.
So buy a new one.
But new clothes are expensive.
Not always.
Last week, I saw a jacket.
Nice jacket?
Yes, very nice. But $200.
Wow, that's a lot.
I cannot pay that much.
Don't worry, Tom. Black Friday is coming.
Black Friday?
Yes, the big shopping day.
When is it?
This week, many stores have sales.
Sales?
Yes, sales mean lower price.
Oh, discount.
Correct. Sale and discount are similar.
So, how much lower?
Sometimes 50%.
50%? Half price?
Yes, half price.
So my jacket can be 100, not 200?
Exactly. Look at this flyer.
Flyer?
Yes, a paper with discounts.
Like an advertisement?
Yes, but useful.
Oh, I see. Flyer shows sales.
Correct.
This store has jackets, half price.
Yes, and shoes too.
Oh no, my shoes are also old.
Perfect chance to buy.
Really?
Yes, we can shop smart.
Smart shopping.
Yes, spend less, buy what you need.
I like that.
So, let's go.
Today?
Yes, this afternoon.
Oh, wow, shopping time.
Deal, Tom.
Wow, so many people.
Yes, Tom. Everyone loves sales.
Look, this dress is $100.
Check the tag.
Oh, 50% off.
So, $50 now.
Half price. Amazing.
I like it for the party.
Try it in the fitting room.
Okay. Too tight.
What size is it?
Small.
Try medium.
Oh, this one fits well.
Yes, not too tight, not too loose.
Medium is perfect. Look, this jacket is $90.
Wait, that one is $80.
Similar style.
Which is better?
Let's compare.
Compare means check price and quality.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. The $90 jacket feels stronger.
Right, so more value.
So not always the cheaper one.
Correct. Wow, free dress. Buy one, get one.
Careful, Emma. Do you need 2 dresses?
Maybe not.
Then it's not saving.
Not saving, but free?
You still spend money for extra.
Oh, saving is buy only what I need.
Perfect. This shirt is $60, now $30.
Half price again.
Should I buy 2?
Do you need 2?
Maybe 1 is enough.
Then buy 1.
Yes, smart shopping. These shoes are $40.
But remember, gas, time, and money.
Gas and time?
Yes, if we run to every store, maybe we spend more.
Oh, so think about overall cost.
Exactly, not only price.
So today I learned, compare prices, don't buy too much, think of overall cost.
It's smart shopping time. Finally home.
Yes, Emma, so many people today.
Black Friday is crazy.
But we got good deals.
Look, my party dress.
Beautiful. And half price?
Yes, 100 to 50.
Discount is amazing. And my shirt, 60 to 30.
Half price again.
We saved money.
My winter jacket.
Good choice. Warm and strong.
Yes, not the cheapest, but better quality.
That's smart shopping.
Hey, what is member price?
Member price means special price for store members.
Member, like pay money to join?
No, membership is free. You just sign up.
Oh, so free membership.
Yes, then you pay less.
So the same bread is $5.99 for me, but $3.99 for members?
Exactly.
Oh no, I always paid full price.
Don't worry, Emma. Next time, sign up. Look, this is my member card.
Member card?
Yes, one card gives member price and points.
Points?
Yes, every time I shop, I get points.
Points are like free money?
Exactly. Later, I can redeem them.
Redeem?
Redeem means use points like money.
Oh wow, save now and save later. And what about your credit card?
My credit card gives cash back.
Cash back?
Yes, the bank gives me money back. For example, 2% of groceries.
So you pay, then you get money back.
Exactly.
No wonder you always save more.
Flyers, discounts, member card, points, cash back. That's the full list.
So today I learned sale means discount, half price is 50%, compare prices and quality, don't buy too much, think of overall cost, member card and points, cash back from the bank.
Perfect summary, Emma.
From now on, I shop like you.
Smart shopping.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
See
See you next time.